interactive museum dito sa Philippines because our museum spans 9,000 square meter or almost 1 hectare. So medyo mahaba-habang laki po ang naghihintay sa atin sa loob. I hope may energy pa po ang lahat. Kids, may energy pa po ba? Hindi ko may mas ilalakas pa yan. Again, may energy pa po ba? May energy. Bukod naka-spaghetti at chicken sa McDonald's kanina. How about our mommies and daddies? May energy pa po ba tayo? Ayan. Yung parents pa lang wala ng energy. Representative na yung ating mga learners. So anyways, mommies and daddies, wala na po tayong choice. Nakaupo na yung ating mommies at mukhang excited at ready na to explore sa loob ng ating museum. But before that, sana po mag-keep natin yung ganyang energy at sana umabot tayo until to the last station that we have here inside our museum. And speaking of station din po, since medyo malaki si Mindspark, it is divided into 8 incredible stations all about science. So we cater here from biology up to zoology station. And for our first station po, we have our orientation station dito po. Manonood lang tayo ng short orientation video all about the house rules that we have here inside our museum. So aside from our learners po, I'm also requesting our parents that please watch and listen carefully po sa sasabihin ng ating video presentation. So kids, ready na po ba tayong manood? Okay, so let's watch the video presentation first.
Hello, Sparkles. Welcome to Mindspark, the biggest, oldest, and most brain-boosting science museum in the Philippines. Here at Mindspark, you can touch, play, and experiment with over 100 hands-on machines, exhibits, and scientific wonders. This is your educational playground, where curiosity leads the way, and every corner sparks discovery. Inside our 9,000 square meter space, you'll explore 18 science-themed laboratories filled with interactive stations in physics, chemistry, earth and space science, biochemistry and microbiology, botany and zoology, and so much more. Whether you're stepping into a giant human body, programming a robot, or being wowed by illusions, Mindspark is where science comes alive. Before you begin, a few important reminders. Photos are allowed. Take lots of pictures, create memories, and share your spark with the world. Watch your belongings. Mindspark is full of surprises, but your stuff shouldn't be one of them. Keep them close. Our Spark Guides cannot be held responsible for any lost items. For everyone's safety and fun, please, no running, shouting, pushing, jumping, or horseplay. No throwing objects or rough behavior. No leaning, pinching, poking, or hanging on machines, cases, walls, or signage, unless it's clearly marked as interactive. Phones in silent mode, please. You may answer calls, but keep it short and respectful to those around you. Read as you go. Our exhibits are packed with cool facts and science secrets. Don't miss them. Equipment is free for everyone to use. Just make sure to return it neatly and carefully so the next Sparkle can enjoy it too. Important, damaging any machine or exhibit comes with a fine of 5,000 pesos. Treat everything like it's your own lab handled with care. Now, are you ready? Are you excited, Sparkles? Get ready for a science adventure unlike any other. Touch, learn, explore, and let your curiosity run wild. Welcome to Mindspark, where imagination meets innovation.
Alright, so that's our short orientation video. I hope the video made it clear. Malinaw naman po ba?
Opo.
Parang malinaw. Malinaw po ba? Naiintindihan naman po ba natin? Okay, so since malinaw po naiintindihan natin, hindi ko na po papahabahin pa. Additional reminder na lang po for our parents. So for our parents po, I'm sure more than as a Spark Guide po is mas kaya po natin i-assist or i-guide ang ating mga learners. So while roaming around po, marami po tayo nagkalat na glass doors and walls. So please supervise them po na bago lumipat ng rooms, hawakan na po natin sila or i-assist So baka yung iba po talagang glass doors at wall natin hindi po talaga siya noticeable because of the lighting. So please passes na lang po. And aside from that, sa ating last station po, our last station is the widest room that we have. Isa po siyang malaking playground for the eyes of our learners. So habang nasa laboratory po tayo papunta sa ating last station, hawakan na po natin ulit yung ating mga learners. Baka po sa halip na mga babang lakaran is mga babang takbuhan po yung nangyari sa atin. Mahigpit po ang ipinagbabawal ang pagtatakbuhan sa ating last station. Madalas po ang floor sa ating last station. Aside from that, meron din po tayo ng hydro science or bubble station. Mas madalas po na. So please, pa-assist na lang po, okay? So right now, hintayin na po natin mag-clear ang ating second station. But for now, kids, ready na po ba tayo mag-proceed? Okay, so ready na po tayo tumayo. Parents, pwede na po natin kapitan yung ating mga kids. And let's wait for...
Raisin. Raisin. Isa si Bella. I don't know.
Okay, so while waiting po, pwede po natin gamitin yung time na to take this opportunity po to have a picture in front of our LED screens.
Gusto mo picture doon? No. Yung para meron na nakalagay na may smart na sa may ito, hindi yan. Ito, itong picture mo. Para
So reminder lang po na hindi po tayo dito lalabas. So iba po yung ating exit area. So right now, pwede po tayo mag-picture muna for a while sa ating LED screen before we proceed to our second station. And while waiting po, heads up po na rin po tayo that for our second station, 13 rooms po kaagad ang meron tayo dyan. And yung allotted time lang po natin is 15.
Pumasok sa mga rooms, lahat po yan ay open. So, pwede po natin i-try yung mga machines. So, for our machines po, you just need to push the red button para po gumana yung mga machines. We also have infographics din po for you to see kung ano po yung name ng ating machines. Again po, forward po tayo. May mga available rooms pa po tayo sa ating physics area. Also, take note po na some of the machines are for display only.
dito. Kuya dito.
Ayan, you can also enter po sa ating physics area. Meron po tayong chemistry area, meron po tayong 3D printing and optical illusion. So everyone, you can roam around po inside of our station number 2. Remind ko lang po na huwag tayo mag-stay sa isang area na matagal para po malibot natin ang buong station since may allotted time na po tayo per station. Also, remind ko lang din po ulit na please handle with care sa lahat po ng machines to avoid any damages and penalties. At yung pinaka-highlight naman po ng ating physics area is the pulley chair. So you just need to sit lang po and pull yourself up and then slowly release the rope when going down. At sa ating chemistry area po, sa ating 3D printing, bawal po natin dalhin sa ibang station yung mga naka-display po sa loob ng activities. Again po, may 13 rooms po tayo sa ating station number 2. Pwede po kayong mag-roam around. So, wag lang po tayo mag-stay na matagal sa isang area para po malibot natin yung buong station.
Dito na kuya. Ano ito? Uy! Uy! Ate, mami! Ano yan? Electricity. Ano ito? Static. Ano ba siya? Static light fluorescent. Ano ginagawa niya? Ayun, basta niya. High voltage. Light. Hindi yan. Lamp yan para paano? The experiment illustrates how these picture. Yan.
Kuya. Ah. Wala sila.
What's that? Pakita mo ng buo. Ayun nga yung ayaw, mata ko, Lord. Ayan, instruction. Overlap two sets of lines. Let's yan. Wala, may nagkuha ng isa. Oh! Patay mo na.
Para matututo, kaya meron dito na.
Display lang yan, Dad. Oh, Kylie. No. No.
Parang nagsana lang.
Ay, talaga naman. Wala akong nuggets na inuha. Paborito ko yung eto. Galing noon. Hindi ko pa natatry yung dito. Subscribe for part 2.